What's up, guys? We're back. Welcome to Michigan, day 4. Wait a minute. I don't think we're in Michigan anymore. Welcome to Chicago. This is the United Center, home of the Chicago Blackhawks and the Chicago Bulls. So we're gonna go to the team store real quick. Just wanted to check out the Madhouse on Madison, and then we'll probably go into downtown. Stanley Cup rings right there. That's kind of sick. Blackhawks had a really good team last decade. Replica Stanley Cup. Replica Larry O'Brien trophy over there. Guys, it's been really fun exploring. Hope you guys like looking at the sights around Chicago. Basically did probably a 4-mile walking tour, just going all the way down to Lake Michigan. And of course, walking the Riverwalk.